Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify roof age using EagleView. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the EagleView website. Log in to your EagleView account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the property address you want to verify. Select the correct property from the search results. You will be directed to the Property Details page. Look for the Roof section in the Property Details. Click on the Roof tab to access roof information. Here, you will find detailed data about the roof, including its age. If roof age is not listed directly, check for the date of the last inspection or assessment. Take note of any additional roofing details provided. For further verification, you may refer to digital images of the roof. Use the imagery to assess the roof's condition visually. Consider comparing the information with local permit records if available. Once you gather all necessary data, you can determine the roof's age effectively. Finally, ensure to save or document the information for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.